To assemble the tube piercing unit, grab the needle socket and assemble the gasket on the lure adapter by twisting it. Then carefully screw the needle onto the lure lock adapter. Next, place the tube piercing unit into the sample tube support. Then secure the bottom of the piercing unit by screwing on the drive nut. Followed by the needle socket nuts and union M6. Place the piercing unit assembly on the siFractor's table. Screw the top union M6 onto the sample holder assembly and place it on the siFractor. Lastly, secure it by screwing the bottom portion of the sample holder.